Hi, James. It's good to see you again.
Hi, Barbara.
Are you here for work?
Yes.
Is Steve with you?
No, I'm here alone. Steve couldn't come this time.
How long will you be staying?
4 days. I'm going back on Friday.
My brother and I are getting together for dinner. Do you want to come with us?
Yeah, that would be nice. I have a meeting in an hour. I can meet you afterwards if that's okay. The meeting shouldn't last long.
That's fine. Who is your meeting with?
The Boston Insurance Company. I'll call you when it's over.
Okay.
Can I use your phone? I left mine in the car, and I want to call them to get directions.
Sure. Here you go. Hello?
Hi, Sharon. It's George again. What time do you think you'll get to the party tonight?
Sorry, what did you say?
Hello? Can you hear me? I said, what time do you think you'll be getting to the party?
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
No, not very clearly. It's really noisy here.
It might be my cell phone. I don't think I have very good reception.
Oh, that's okay.
Can I call you right back?
Okay. Ed, what should we do today?
I've been studying all week. I'd like to exercise.
Me too. Let's go to the gym.
Good idea. What are we going to do there?
We can lift weights or play basketball.
I like to play basketball. Are you good at it?
Not really, but I like to play. I used to play a lot when I was in school, but now there's no time.
I know what you mean. I used to play soccer a lot. Do you think we can play soccer there?
No, there's not enough room. I think it's better if we play outside.
Okay. Maybe we can go play soccer later this afternoon.
It's too cold outside today. Let's wait until the weather gets a little warmer.
Okay.
Kevin, what would you like to do?
I don't know. Maybe watch TV.
That's a good idea. We're going shopping later, so I think you should rest for a while.
I don't think I want to go anymore.
What do you mean? I thought you said we were going shopping.
I know, but I changed my mind. I'm too tired.
Well, I still have a lot of stuff to buy. When do you think we'll go?
Maybe tonight.
Okay. Would you mind if I use your phone?
Sorry, I don't have signal.
Are you kidding? I usually have really good reception here.
My phone is very old, and it doesn't work very well.
What if I take it outside?
Yes, that's fine. It works well outside.
Andrew, would you like to play a game?
Okay. What kind of game?
Let's play cards. Do you know how to play blackjack?
Yes, that's an easy game. I don't want to play that right now.
Okay. Do you remember how to play poker?
I think so, but you're going to have to explain the rules to me again.
Okay. Look at this piece of paper. It has all the rules on it.
Okay, yes, I remember now. I think the last time we played this game, you won, and I lost.
Yes, that was fun.
Okay, let's play. But this time I don't want to bet money.
Okay, we won't bet. We'll just play for fun.
Angela, come in.
Happy birthday!
Thanks. I can't believe you remembered that.
Well, I have a calendar in my computer. It helps me remember things like that. What are you up to?
I'm reading a book my cousin gave me for my birthday.
Let me see. Oh, I have this book at home. I want to give you a present, too.
Wow, it's a guitar. I already have one, but I like this one better. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you know how to play the guitar?
Yeah, I know how to play. My father taught me when I was young.
Will you play it now? I want to listen to some music.
Okay. Do you know this one?
Yeah, I've heard that one. I could sing that song when I was in middle school.
It's an old one. It makes me feel old. When I was in college, they used to play it on the radio all the time. What are you listening to?
I'm listening to the radio.
I know that. Who are they playing?
Guess.
I think it's the Beatles, right?
That's right. How did you know that?
In my country, everyone knows who they are. They're famous.
Really?
Of course. My parents saw them at a concert a long time ago.
Did you know that they're from England?
Yes, of course.
What kind of music do you usually listen to?
I listen to everything, but my favorite is pop.
I see. Who's your favorite singer?
Celine Dion.
I like her too. She's got a great voice.
Hello, miss. Do you need a taxi?
Yes,
Do you have any luggage?
just these 2 suitcases.
Okay, I'll put them in the back for you. Where are you going?
The Comfort Inn.
I think there are 2 in Boston. Which one are you going to?
The one downtown.
Is this your first time in Boston?
No, I've been here many times. I come here for work all the time. Do you know how long it'll take?
It shouldn't take long. Probably about 15 minutes.
Wow, it looks like the traffic is really bad.
Yeah, there might be an accident up ahead.
Okay, then stop at the next intersection. I'm gonna get out there and take the subway. Are you hungry?
No. Why?
We've been driving a long time. I think we'd better find some place to eat soon.
No, I'm okay. We're late, so we'd better not stop.
We've passed that same store 3 times already. I think we're lost. We should ask someone for directions.
We're not lost.
I've never gone this way before. Do you know where you're going?
Yes, this road goes through town. It's faster than the highway.
Okay. Would you mind driving a little slower, please?
Sure. No problem.
Did you see that sign back there? I think this is a one-way street.
No, I didn't see that. I'm gonna have to turn around.
You can't turn around here. I think you should let me drive.
I think you're right. I'm getting tired.
Adam, can you do me a favor?
Sure.
I can't find my purse. Can you help me?
No problem. I'll help you look for it.
Thanks.
What color is it?
It's black.
Did you look in the kitchen?
Yes, I already looked there.
I'll look in the living room.
Did you find it?
No, it's not in there. When was the last time you saw it?
I had it when I went to the library this morning.
Do you think you might have left it there?
Maybe. I'll call the library and ask them if anyone found it.
Wait, is this it?
Yes, that's it. That's my purse. Thanks for helping me find it.
Excuse me. Will you take a picture of us?
Sure. This is a really nice camera.
Thanks. My parents gave it to me.
How do you use it?
You press this button here.
Come a little closer. Wait, that's too close. Move a little to the left. Okay, stay right there.
Do you mean here?
Yes, that's good. Oh, I can't get it to work.
You need to hold down the button for about 3 seconds.
Okay, I got it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Smile.
Hi, Tracy. What's going on?
Hi, Thomas. I'm waiting in line to buy a DVD player.
The line is too long. Why don't you come back tomorrow?
I think you're right. They're going to close soon.
Let's go get some coffee.
Okay, wait a minute. I have to get something out of my purse. Will you hold this for me?
Sure. Oops.
What happened?
I dropped your calculator. Is it broken?
I'm not sure. Let me have a look. No, I don't think it's broken. The button came off, though. I can fix it.
Sorry about that.
Don't worry about it. I do that all the time. If it is broken, I have another one in my car.
Hey, how did you get here?
I rode my bike.
Are you serious? Why did you do that? I could have picked you up.
That's okay. I didn't want to bother you. I know you don't like to wake up early.
That's so nice of you. Aren't you cold?
No, not really. I wore a coat.
What's in the bag?
It's a special type of apple.
Oh, can I try one? It's very sweet.
I put sugar on it. These apples are really good. They were only 30 cents each.
Aren't those more expensive than the ones in the supermarket?
Yes, they're more expensive, but they taste better.
Did you buy any other fruit?
Well, besides apples, I bought oranges and bananas. Hello?
Hi. Are you still up?
Yes.
You sound tired. Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's fine. I'm just getting ready to go to bed. It's been a really long day.
Do you have time to get some coffee with me later? I have something I want to talk to you about.
No, sorry, not today. I have to get up early tomorrow.
Oh. What are you going to do tomorrow?
My mother-in-law is coming over, so I have to get up early and clean the house.
I see.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, in the afternoon. I have to finish something I'm working on, but I'll be free after 3:30.
Do you want to get together after you finish work?
Do you think you'll have time?
Yes, my mother-in-law will be leaving here around 2. Hey, I just talked to Jim.
What did he say?
He said he had to cancel the meeting this afternoon. Is there a problem?
No, it's not a big deal. He and I were supposed to talk to some new customers today.
Sorry to hear that.
It's okay. This has been happening quite a bit recently.
That's strange. I wonder why.
His wife has been sick, so sometimes he has to go home early to take care of her.
I see. How's work been going?
Things are slow right now. Would you mind if I borrow your phone? Mine's out of batteries and I have to call my boss to tell him about this.
Okay, let me go get it. It's in the car.
Hello?
Hi, John. Sorry for calling so late. I hope I didn't wake you up.
Actually, I was just finishing some work. I haven't gone to bed yet.
Did you hear Bill got fired yesterday?
No, I didn't hear that. Are you sure?
Yeah, Sarah told me this afternoon. She was pretty upset about it.
That's too bad. Bill's a nice guy.
Yeah, I know.
Why did they fire him?
She didn't say.
I see. Well, if you talk to Sarah again, tell her there's a job opening at my company. Bill can have an interview this week if he wants.
Oh, thank you so much. I'll call her and tell her. Hi, Jim.
Hi, Karen. You look upset. What's wrong?
It's nothing. I'm just a little nervous.
Is everything all right?
Well, I'm having surgery tomorrow on my finger.
What's wrong with your finger?
I broke it the other day playing basketball.
Oh, that's terrible.
Yeah, it's been bothering me since that day.
Are you afraid of having surgery?
Yes, I've never had surgery before.
I wouldn't worry. I had to have surgery on my leg last year. Everything went fine.
Were you nervous before the surgery?
A little. Who's your doctor?
Dr. Allen.
Oh, I've heard he's really good. I don't think you have anything to worry about.
Good. That makes me feel much better.
Wow, I'm really getting fat.
You don't look fat.
Yes, but I am. I've gained 10 pounds in the last 2 months. Look at my stomach.
How much do you weigh?
I think about 170 pounds.
What kind of foods do you eat?
I usually have pasta for dinner. Sometimes I get takeout or fast food if I don't have enough time to cook.
I was reading a diet book the other day. It said if you eat meat and nothing else, you'll lose weight quickly.
Wow, does that work?
I don't know, but someone told me they tried it and lost 20 pounds.
That sounds good, but I'm not sure how long I could do that.
I know. Once you start eating vegetables and bread again, you'll probably start gaining weight.
Well, I think I'm going to try it anyway. Who's the author?
I can't remember. It's not that popular anymore. When I get home, I'll check and give you a call.